So I'm getting frustrated. I can't get into stores to buy fiddly little parts like hinge pins and whatnot. So today I've decided I'm just going to sand the whole car down to make it all like that. just got a delivery. Let us see what it is. New blade, Andy. Oh, I'm going to rip it. Ooh, look at these. I wonder who these are from. So this is a birthday present from Jeff Hill. Isn't this cool? I'll stick one in the grinder and give it a shot. See how it works. Excellent, excellent. So I've been using those poly discs, which are okay, but this new disc it's just a much smoother finish. I thought it would be a bit harsh, but it's actually working out quite nice. So thank you, Jeff. Very, very much appreciated. I owe you 1 or 10 or 5. Thank you very much. On with the show. Honestly, I didn't do anything. So that's the house that got raided the other day. So maybe they're burning the evidence. I don't know what's gonna. guess I'll update you on that when I find out. I just got another delivery. Excited about this one. So Ted at Daewoo Auto Parts has sent me something very cool. Let's have a look at this. Ooh. Sent me a duster. Look at that. That's cool. It's metal parts. Oh wow. Wow, it's worth it for the microfiber cloths, I tell you. Oh, check this out. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. This is actually just tape that's over it to keep it good. Oh my god. So I now have full set of door handles, door locks. Wow. This is my happy face. Amazing. Thank you so much. And this is what the YouTube community is all about, is helping folk out. Ted didn't ask for any payment for this. He didn't even charge me postage. And I hope to do the same to anyone who's needing parts that I have that I don't need. I will happily send them to you. Brilliant. Thank you, Ted. I'll put them to good use. Okay folks, this has taken a long time, as you can imagine, and we do have some rain approaching for the next few days, so I need to get some clear coat on what I've done. Protect it. For now, let me show you how it looks. Pretty blingy. So, still got the roof to do, the whole roof, and the other side. I've got that section there, it's all filler. I've still got that panel to do. I'm loving it. There's easily another 2 days worth to do. So that panel, that side, front. So I'll get some paint on it. Right, we're all clear coated up, ready for the snow. Yes, snow. More snow is on its way. It's never ending, but that's Canada. It'll be summer soon. Right, I think tomorrow, if it's raining, I can do stuff inside the garage, so I will probably attempt the door hinge fabrication, or at least the section where the hinge attaches to the door, and see if we can get a swinging door. That would be nice. So thank you all for dropping by. Please subscribe if you have not already. And stay tuned to the end of the video for some bonus footage. Take care everyone. See you soon. So I ordered something on Amazon because you just can't have too many hobbies. I'm sure some of you already can guess what that is by the shape of the box. Don't know what that mystery package is. It's a guitar! Right, don't panic, I'm not turning this into some crazy music channel, but it seems like a good time to learn the guitar. I always wanted to. I know the basics. I used to play the cello when I was in primary school. How hard can it be? It's just a little cheap job, get me started. Ooh, needs tuning. So my plan is to, at the end of my videos there's a 20-second end screen, and I'm just going to at the very end post up what I've learned so far in those 20 seconds, just as a sort of little outro. So you'll get to see you'll get to hear my progress if you wait to the end of the video. So you don't have to sit through it all when you watch my video. Okay? So the first ending will probably be how I tune it up. Okay?